How to make WhatsApp video calls on PC. In this video, I will guide you on how to make WhatsApp video calls. The first thing you want to do is open up Microsoft Store or any default store on your laptop or PC. Now, make sure to log into your account. Click on the search bar. Here, search for WhatsApp. Now, you want to click on this WhatsApp option. Here, you want to click on the Get or Install option. Once you do that, the downloading will begin. After the downloading has been completed, you simply want to install this application, then launch it open. Now log into your account, either using your phone number or QR code. Once you have been logged in, you want to select the account that you want to make the video call with. Now you simply want to click on this video icon. Remember that you can only make video calls in WhatsApp application on your PC. You are not able to do this on the web version of WhatsApp, so make sure that you download the application first. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.